choice I could take the choice I took to take the choices out of your hands and put them in my hands. And it's all good, yeah, it's all good. I got the bag, got the books, give the town goodbye with no bad feelings, no heartbroke, hit the road. And so I moved to England and started seeing what we're doing, still doing everything we want. And maybe one day we'll go to rehab or back to Argentina. It's not that far away in a day now. Let's hope someday I'll play my concertina to an arena full of people, or dream my life away, dreaming of the day when I find my girl. Love will be amazing, champion sound. When I find my girl, love will be amazing, champion sound.